channel, Sparkling Glue. So glad to have you here today. So, Creative Memories. I just signed up with them. I'm not sure how much time I am going to spend with them, but I used to use Creative Memories way back in the day. I don't know, 25 years ago. I think we had this circle cutter back then. Anyway, so let me tell you why I signed up. So they have a special, I don't know if they still do, but they did. It was $49 to join as an advisor. And then you get $49 or $50 free in merchandise. You pick out what you want. And they also sent this gift tote for free. You do have to pay for shipping. So, you know, just keep that in mind unless they change it and offer something. Or maybe if it's over a certain amount. If I only ordered up to $50. They might have had free shipping over $100, so I guess depending on what you do. But I thought we could just open it up together and see what we got. So this is a stamp, a punch, a paper punch that maybe we could open. Okay. And like I said, I haven't used their stuff in a very long time. Okay, so it has a lock, and let's just grab a piece of paper here and see what we get. So pretty, very pretty. And all right, so this you get two, so it comes out where you could use the inside flower or the outside flower. Let me see if I could show it to you on a darker piece of paper. Maybe this will show up a little better. So let's try it. Okay. So where's the, oh, it's stuck in here. Okay. So I don't know if you can see, but you get, and so this will be fun because we can use this on embellishments and different things in our junk journal. So that was one. The next one, it's a square. I have a round punch, but I don't have a square punch, and so I really wanted one of these. And these are really thick and nice and heavy. Wow. So, I mean, I'm assuming they're going to last. And okay, and you know, it's just a square, but that's what I wanted. So I'm not sure what I'm doing with it yet, but it might be cute for stamps and different things. So those are the two punches. They have some also like a border set where the stamps, the cartridges slide into it. I didn't get those yet or start with it, but all right. And then this ruler I just thought was really cool. And it wasn't very expensive. I can't remember how much, but let's see if I can. It was just very thick, wide, I guess I should say, and I love that it's clear, and so I thought that this would be great for crafting. The circle punches, maybe I'll do another video with that. These are really awesome, if I remember right. So they have, you can get 3 different blades that come with it, and depending on the size of the blade is how big and small it cuts around your circle. So I took the blue, which will make it the smallest on the inside, and I think the largest on the outside. I don't remember exactly, but this way I figured I could get the smaller. So like the blue on this one will cut a 3-inch circle, and a 3 1/8 it looks like with the red. So it's not a big difference, but you know, somewhat. So that's, like I said, something we could do on another video. And then this came for free, and it's a tote bag, which looks really nice. let's see. I hope you can see it. It's huge. It's huge. Okay, so can you see how big this is? Wow. I guess this must be for the bottom. Just make it sturdy. Okay, and then this top, let's see if you can see that, has just foam in here, but you can put all kinds of things up here. And then, let's see, the base of it's measuring, looks like 10 by 15. So it's a pretty big bag. I think I'll store some paper or something in it, and if I do start maybe doing some shows or anything, I don't know if I'm gonna, but that's our bag. Anyway, so that is what I just wanted to share with you, and I will link my advisor link below in case you're interested in signing up. Like I said, to me it was sort of a no-lose situation. There's no requirements on how much you sell. They have not they're not bothering me. I mean, I do get emails and different things, and they have apps. So if you want to get involved, it's you certainly can. But if it's something you just want to kind of test out, and then if people want to buy anything, if they buy it under your advisor link, you get commissions on it. So I don't know. I just felt like I don't know how I could really go wrong. So anyway, I thought I'd just share that with you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and spending time with me. And remember, keep sparkling. We'll catch you on the next video. Take care.